Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our the newest products, the new trailers behind of me, and this is school bus stylings. Let's take a look at overall sizes first. For this unit, the length of the body is about like 150 inches long. And the overall height is about like 101 inches tall. And the width of the units, they are about like 83 inches wide. And we can see the units, they have a locker at the front. This is the extra storage for the units. And the inside of the units, let's take a measurement of it. For the units inside, about like 47 inches wide. About 27 inches deep. And the height of the units about right here, the dimensions about like 35 inches tall. And you can just lock it, and the key comes with it. So as we can see, the units entirely they have a glass all around the units. So it's really easy and beautiful for people to view inside. And the front hinge, we have a rolling stand assistant right here. They can adjust the height to help you to put the hinge to mount on your car. For this hinge, about like 58 inches long. Okay, you can follow with me. Let's take a look at the back side of the units. This back of the trailers, they have a tail lights you can see, and the door also lockable. When you push it down, we can see the entries here. Now let me take a measurement for you. For this door, it's about like 26 inches wide. The height is about like 70 inches tall. And we're also having the power outlets right here connections with with your generators. And you can follow with me, step in the units. We can take a inside. For the inner side, you can see the pre-installed the outlets right here, and we have a power the gauge, the box right here, and also the door of the window. You can simply to push it out. This will open for double side. And for the inner side dimensions, the entire length is about like 110 inches long. And the overall height is about like 82.5 inches tall. And the width of the unit is about like 59 inches wide. For the small edge, they are about like 3.5 inches tall. And they also have the LED lights on top of it. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. And the switchers at the front, right here. For the window, they will be about like 92 inches wide from edge to edge. And the clearance heights, they are about like 29 inches tall. Okay, this is all information about the trailers for this model. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us or just come to my warehouse to check it.